All right, so hope you all are doing great. Today, this is going to be our first session, and in this particular session, the primary objective is to help you get familiarized with this HubSpot interface. So, the moment you log into your HubSpot account, you're going to land up on a dashboard, and we are going to now look at all the features, all the menu tabs that you have in your HubSpot account, and what all functions we have, how to navigate through this particular interface, and how do you make use of all of these functions that you have in the HubSpot interface. So let us get started. This is going to be a detailed walkthrough of the HubSpot dashboard interface. So this is a central hub for managing everything: marketing, sales, content, service, customer support, all of those features that you have in HubSpot. This is your all-in-one, easy to navigate interface. Now, whether you are new to HubSpot or just looking for a refresher, I'll just walk you through every part of the dashboard so that you can start using it like a pro. The primary objective here is to help you understand where to find which data, how to navigate the right information across all of these menu buttons. Let us get started with the first one over here that you have is bookmarks. Now, bookmarks, think of it as your personal shortcut area. Here is where you pin the different tools or reports or pages that you most often use. So instead of digging through all the menu buttons through the HubSpot interface, you can quickly bookmark certain areas that you are using on a regular basis. So let's say right now, let's say I want to use workflows. So let's say I use workflows on a daily basis. So I can just go ahead to that particular menu tab and click on this add to bookmark icon, and it will be added in our bookmarks area. So workflow is what I have added right now. In case you want to remove it from here, again, let's say you don't need it anymore, you can just uncheck it by clicking on that same icon. Let's say you frequently check the email analytics, so you can simply go ahead and mark the email, or you can also go ahead and mark whatever area you use on a regular basis. You can just bookmark it. Next, we have workspaces. So workspace is where this is your collaboration command center. This is a space where you collaborate with your team members. So this is the area from here you can actually start working or start sharing information with all your team members. So it's great for keeping everyone in the same page, whether you are working on a marketing campaign, sales outreach, or customer support. The entire team has to be integrated and aware about what's going on with your sales funnel, what's going on with your marketing activities. So let's say if a team is launching a product, you can create a workspace over here, and you can start listing down all your tasks over here. You can start listing down the deadlines for your email campaigns, marketing campaigns. You can also start adding tasks for the specific team members. So this is the area where you can go ahead and start listing down your tasks. So this is more like a project management workspace that you have over here. Then you have CRM. CRM is customer relationship management. Now we are getting to the heart of HubSpot here. The CRM section helps you manage all your customer data, track interactions, and build better relationships with your customers. So this is where you get contacts, companies. Contacts are essentially the people or the leads who are filling up your form or converting into a lead from your website or from different marketing channels. Companies are the list of all the companies that these contacts belong to. Deals are essentially the sales conversations that are happening with these contacts. Tickets are, let's say, the concerns or specific requests raised by your leads. We can also track those on HubSpot and manage the sales pipeline or the conversational pipeline with your leads using tickets. Then you have this list where you can segment your contacts and create separate lists of the contacts. So let's say you have 100 contacts and you want to create a list of the contacts by the industry that they belong to. So you can create lists by the industry, by the country, whatever business criteria you're using to segment your audience. Then you have inbox where you can get the messages. You can track the conversations with your leads. Then you have calls and tasks where you can again track the calls and also the tasks with those people. So CRM is not just a glorified address book. It's a dynamic function. It tracks every email from your website visit to submission to web page views to capturing the time on your web page. You can get to know all that information in your CRM. So let's say if you go to contacts and if you open up any particular contact, you can actually go ahead and let me just go through a particular contact and show you how it looks like. So let's say you have a contact. So under CRM, you have to go to your contact and click on the contact. once you open up a specific contact, you get to see what all they have done on your website. So let's say the entire life cycle stages, you can get to track it in the activities section. You can also track if any specific internal notes that any of your sales team has left for you for this particular contact, then the emails exchanged with that particular contact, the calls that you had with that contact, the tasks, the meetings, all these are recorded over here. In case you would like to add the deals that you have done with this particular contact, or let's say the deals that you are planning to share with this particular contact, you can also add the deals over here, the tickets, in case there are any tickets. You can add your payment links, all of those details you can add over here manually. And in the left hand side, what you have is a quick option to again change the data of your audience of your lead. So you can just add the company name in case it's missing. You can actually assign a contact owner. So this is where you can assign one of your team member to follow up or to do the sales deals with this particular contact. Then the life cycle, you can change the life cycle. So let's say whenever someone has actually filled up a form, they are in the lead stage, and then they have moved into an engage stage, then they have moved into a customer stage. So you can actually change the different life cycle stages of this particular lead. You can also tag it as qualified, unqualified, marketing qualified leads, sales qualified leads. Based on your lead qualification criteria, you can add all the details over here and make sure that you are having a well updated data of all your leads, so that anyone from your team can just get into this section and start and get a quick and they are able to get a quick understanding of what is the prior conversation or in what stage we are with this particular lead. So this is where you have the CRM. Next, we have the marketing tab. So marketing tab is where you get to manage all your marketing campaigns and engage with your audience. This is where you can create emails, you can create a social media post or schedule your social media posts, then you can create landing pages for your ads, you can connect your ad accounts and track the ad data over here. You can add different specific user events that you'd like to track. You can create your lead forms, call to action buttons. We'll look into a detailed step-by-step process on how to use all of these and create a full-blown campaign in this HubSpot CRM. So yeah, this is something that we are going to discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. Next, we have content. So content is where you will manage all your marketing assets, such as the website landing pages, the for sales or lead generation campaigns, the downloadable files that you have. Let's say you have some ebooks or case studies that you'd like to give away to your website visitors once they fill up a form. All of those marketing assets can be saved over here in this area. Let's say you also would like to analyze and maintain your SEO. You could do it from here as well. So you can have a quick scan of your page and also keep a track of how your page is doing in terms of SEO. Then we have so essentially content is the area where you can get to control all the different marketing assets of your business. Then you have commerce. Under commerce, you have this overview where you can track the payments, payment links, you can create codes, you can create invoices, the subscription options. Then you have automations. Automations is where you get to create the workflow for repetitive tasks. So like sending follow-up emails or assigning tasks to a team member, all of those repetitive tasks shall be done on the automation step. Workflows, sequences, chat flows, these are all automated automated or sequential activities in terms of your marketing communications. So this is the automations part. So one simple tip here would be to keep it simple, keep your automation simple, start step by step, because once you create a full-blown automation, it gets really complex to manage. So go step by step and ensure that you have a full-blown plan before you start with your automations. Then you have reporting, so reports and dashboards. So this is where you get to create dedicated reports for your business. So this is how the reporting section looks like. Once you click on reporting, you have dashboard, reports, sales analytics, service analytics, forecast, and goals. Now, this area is one of the most important and most frequently visited section of your HubSpot dashboard. Why? Because this is where you're going to come back every day to check the number of leads that you're generating on a daily basis, the number of the channels that are working for us, marketing channels which are giving us most of our leads. Then again, out of those leads, how many of them are qualified leads, at what stage they are, how many customers you're converting on a monthly basis. So essentially this area, this reporting and dashboard area, is going to help you get a full understanding of your marketing and sales performance. Then you have data management. So data management section is a backstage pass to organize your CRM. This is where you can import and export your data. You can store the properties and custom data fields. So what do I mean by all of those terms? So data sets, data quality, custom events, integrations. So this is where you are able to connect your HubSpot account with third-party applications, integrations. Then you can also get to manage your data in case you want to import some external data into your HubSpot account. You can do it from this area. We'll again look into a detailed video to understand all of these features. Then we have a library. So at the same time, in case you're switching from another CRM to your HubSpot account, let's say you're new to HubSpot but you already had an existing CRM account, so you can use the import tool to map your old data. You can use the import tool to use the to kind of import the old data into your new HubSpot account. Then you have library. So the library is your storage locker for all your digital assets. So you can store images, documents, videos, files that you use in your marketing campaigns. So if you're building an email campaign, you can quickly pull up your files or images, ebooks from this area in your files and documents folders. So you don't have to every day go ahead and upload images and files and logos from your system. You could actually have it uploaded on your HubSpot account for quick access. Then we have Breeze. So again, Breeze are some new custom tools that are getting added to HubSpot. This is where you get to use specialized features like reporting using AI, or let's say data understanding the data or visualizing the data using AI, preparing reports using AI. So this is more of a Copilot based conversational agent that you can use to get insights around your account. So just a quick overview of how to use it. So let's say I've clicked on this try Copilot, and you'll see that a new chat bar has opened up in the right side. Now over here you have an option to summarize an article, find deals closing. So this is just a quick these are the quick prompts that are showing up over here. But in case you want to see what to do with this, how to actually converse with this particular chatbot, you can actually click on the see more prompts, and you'll be able to see that there are a lot of prompts over here. You can just bookmark the important prompts that you want that you would like to regularly use. So let's say in my case I would like to, let's say, summarize a company, or let's say I would like to, let's just take it simple. Let's not just use any ready-made prompt and use a simple text that I want to know how many leads we generated in last 3 months. It will just give us the information. So you don't have to go ahead and dig into the reportings and the data and find all of this information. We can rather just simply have a conversation with this Copilot and get our information. What is the revenue earned or generated from this in last 3 months? So whatever information you need around your sales and marketing or service, you can just ask over here to this Copilot, and it will just get you the right information. Now here is one interesting thing. Let's say this is the information that it has given us, and also a chart. In case you would like to create a report, edit in report builder. Once you click on this edit in report builder, it will just take you to the report builder and create a visualization around this data. So this is a wonderful tool that is going to help us save a lot of time in terms of understanding or getting some information around our HubSpot data. So yeah, we're going to look at a detailed video around Breeze, how to use this area. We're also going to look at a detailed video around reporting and see how to create this kind of dashboards and reports around our sales and marketing data. So yeah, this particular video is more of a quick overview of the HubSpot dashboard. Then in the top we have a search bar. Now this is a very interesting feature. It is going to help you a lot. This is more like a shortcut to everything that you need. So whatever you need from your HubSpot account, just search for it, and you'll be able to see that you are able to shortlist the information by using the different filters like companies, contacts, deals, whatever information you need. You can filter it out by these terms, and also you can search here. So let's say you would like to find a particular contact or find a particular company, or you just like to know that from this particular company X, do I have any leads? You can search by the company name, or you can just simply search by the lead name to find more details around that. So whatever information you need from your HubSpot account, you can also come ahead and come over here in this search bar and search for that information. Then in the top right corner you have the settings icon. So this is where you have to click to customize your account. So this is the area where you were able to see the different features, like the how to control the notifications, the account defaults, the teams, how to add or manage your team from here, integrations, the third-party applications that you're going to add with your HubSpot account. So let's say your ad accounts, your social media accounts, all of those, or let's say your email accounts on Outlook, Gmail, etc. You can just add it from here in this area. We're going to look at the detailed step-by-step process on how to use all of these features. This particular video is more of a quick overview of the interface. So yeah, that is it for this particular video. In the upcoming videos, we are going to dive into all of these features and learn how to use the different functions to create a full-blown sales and marketing campaign using the HubSpot CRM. If there are any doubts, any questions, please drop it in the comment section. I'd be happy to help. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.